belonging for every learner. So this concept is completely Natasha's, and we are going to have a beautiful conversation what we are going to hear today. Over to you, Natasha. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for having us on stage. As you can see, we have a very beautiful, diverse panel, and I think you all must be thinking कि क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पे. And before we go ahead, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day as well, and to give a thought over the word independence. So this is designing synergies for an inclusive future. The idea of having such a diverse panel was that we at least nudge conversations on how an inclusive future should be for everyone, irrespective of whether we are neurotypical or whether we are neurodiverse. So very simple questions, but this is an attempt to try and get answers from our young children. As we can see, young children today in India are empowered and they are doing a lot of changes. So let's see from our panel here itself, what are your thoughts on inclusivity?
Can we have it in Hindi and English?
हाँ, sorry, Hindi and English में भी मैं बात करूँगी. I'm very sorry about that. So बिना ज़्यादा टाइम बिताए हम क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर जाएं. पैनल तैयार है?
Yay!
Yes. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि पहले हम जाने कि हमारे पैनल में कौन है.
Yes.
है ना? तो हम सबकी इंट्रोडक्शन में तो माइक पास करने वाले और सब लोग अपना अपना नाम बताने वाले हैं. रेडी एवरीबॉडी? सबको अपना नाम बताना है और आपको जितना क्रिएटिव हो सकते हैं आप उतने क्रिएटिव हो सकते हैं अपने नाम पे. ठीक है, चलो.
Good evening, I'm Akshay Shankar.
Good evening, I am Heather. I am in 11th grade and I am a PCMB student.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Soumya Masija and I am in 8th grade.
Hello everyone, I am Trisha Rathore and I am in first grade.
My name is Shani Kadar and I am 11th.
Hello everyone, I am Rudra and I am currently studying in class 11.
Hello everyone, I am Kasturi Bhattacharya and I am studying PhD in Computer Science.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sumera Sakre and I am a third year student.
My name is Abhijit Patel.
Hi everyone, my name is Tahir, I am from Ashai. Hi, I am Pajwal Desai, I am 10th standard.
ओके, अभी हम सबके नाम जान गए हैं, लेकिन एक और चीज़ पूछना मैं भूल गई. तो फिर से ये हमारे कैसा चलेगा, लेकिन हम पूछ ही लेंगे कि उनको अपने बारे में क्या सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. ठीक है?
मुझे पसंद है स्क्रू, स्क्रू ड्राइवर.
अरे वाह, क्या बात.
I like to do writing, painting and sketching.
मला पंगीन भुई आवडते. मुझे लगी पंगीन भुई गई थी.
So I like to do a lot of creative stuff, whether it be crochet. Currently I'm crocheting right now. It's a new hobby that I picked up. And in general, I think I'm a creative person.
I like animating and I want to become an animator. I think it will sit for hours with laser focus attention.
Well, I just started calisthenics, so I haven't learned many skills, but I can do a handstand, which I like about myself.
louder? We can't hear you.
I love to do crochet and like make new things out of something, and I also like to read books because I feel like it is a nice way to know something about other people and get in touch with your imagination. So I like to participate in events and do research on small and also vast topics.
I think I have a lot of interests. So one of my interests is data analysis. Second is coding. Then apart from that, I like edtech, education and technology. Then also my leadership, dealing with persons with disabilities and neurotypical and neurodivergent people, bringing them together and through a medium, and that medium is music, drumming, and vocals. And further, I also like to try different food, travel, and yeah, lot of some TV shows and also cricket.
Awesome. तो आपने अभी देखा है और सुना भी है कि हमारे डाइवर्स पैनल के कितनी डाइवर्सिटीज है उनकी इंटरेस्ट में. सो दे हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट इंटरेस्ट. और उस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ अपने पैनल से कि उनकी सुपर पावर अगर हुआ तो क्या हो सकता है उनकी सुपर पावर, और वो सुपर पावर से उनको क्या अचीव करना है आपके लाइफ में.
Wow, I think the one superpower that I would like is, faster hiring, faster salary, multiplication, and make everything super fast, like an express train, like or bowling like just program. Yeah, so everything going super fast, going your way at all times, and being big also fast when it comes to money, relationships, or many things. Yeah.
So that's some new idea for technology. So any tech person sitting down over here and उनको आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी क्या करना है अभी टेक्नोलॉजी में, तो अक्षय ने एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया दिया है.
I think I would love to control time because I believe I'm so not punctual and I would like to improve that in myself. I like to be like the I like to have the superpower to be like Flash, the Superman who is very fast so that I can go and help people and meet quickly and also be more punctual in my life. I would like to add 2 hours to the day to manage co-curriculars and extracurriculars and academics. I think I would like teleportation because a lot of time is wasted just traveling to that many places. So you can do a lot of stuff in that.
I would like to have good luck basically, so all the good things would only happen to me, good fortunes, and basically all the events goes according to my way.
I would love to be invisible, that way I can do anything without mom knowing.
And her mom and father are not here. So.
Well, actually even I would like to teleport honestly. Teleport to new places, see new stuff, experience, have new experiences based on different places. Yeah, I would like to teleport somewhere.
मला छान आवाज आणि तरी बदलले ओदे दोजी काही ओदे ते मोठी ते दुकानात कधी दुआ पे तो
My superpower is Batman.
Indian Superman.
Wow. So we have all heard about what are the superpowers you would like to have and how you would like to use it. So amazing ideas, है ना मैंने? Absolutely. Amazing ideas from the entire panel sitting down here. कि उनको क्या करना है? Akshay, you want to say something?
What I wanted to add is to be able to control other people also. Literally to be able to control other people's decisions as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention.
So I think we want Akshay himself to develop some tech which is going to work on mind as well as the speed of body from one place to another place and doing things, है ना Akshay?
Yes.
Because you enjoy computers and tech as well.
Yes, mostly coding.
This is coming now to a very important question, and this is about how can I support my friends or colleagues in school or college, especially when we know that they may have certain challenges or certain differences and they need a little bit of help from us. So how supportive do you think we can be, and how is it we can दूसरों को भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि अच्छा कि ठीक है हम उसकी थोड़ी मदद कर सकते हैं और किस तरह की हम मदद कर सकते हैं उनकी. तो आपके इसके विचार क्या हैं?
So I think it's more about showing a lot of empathy and respect. But I think there have been times where people also struggle to understand this and literally don't take the credit away from you in this, wherever it is. And this can happen in any setting, even in corporate settings as well. So I think it's just about maintaining empathy, maintaining composure, and I think it's also about giving them opportunities to present themselves and showcase whatever skills they get.
तो मुझे ये लग रहा है कि अक्षय ने अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस बताई है कि उनको अगर ये मदद मिल सकती है तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो मैं इस पैनल के बहुत सारे जो इधर बैठे हैं बच्चे उनको भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि हाउ दे कैन बी सपोर्टिव एंड इफ दे रिक्वायर सपोर्ट तो वो सपोर्ट कैसे दिखेगा.
One thing that is very important is that we include everyone equally, and the worst thing we could do is not understand them and neglect them. So I think giving them the same opportunities and understanding is the best thing we can do, is the best help we can provide them. Differentiating between two people, a neurotypical and a neurodivergent person, and making them realize it is something that we should totally avoid.
People who are different are often neglected, and like people don't realize that they are also like us. So we should treat them like our equals and not make them feel like they are alone and support them in whatever decision they are making. Even in schools, group activities, a lot of people who are different from us are often not included because we think that they are not going to be a help to us and instead are going to slow us down. But actually they have many good qualities that can help us in many different ways. तो आई लाइक व्हाट शी सेइंग, क्योंकि ये बोल रही थी हर जन को कुछ ना कुछ सपोर्ट तो चाहिए ही रहता है हर फेज ऑफ लाइफ में. तो हम अभी से क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट करें कि जिनको भी अगर कोई भी डिफिकल्टी हो तो वो एम्पैथी के थ्रू थोड़ा तो सपोर्ट करें ताकि उनकी जो भी चैलेंजेस है वो थोड़ा और कम हो सकता है और वो इंसान और निखर के आ सकता है.
What I think we all lack in this stage of life is patience. We have to be very patient with everybody around us, and I think with understanding patience is also very important.
I think that most people don't understand, so you should always understand the other person's side and not just ignore it and do whatever. I think that's the biggest challenge.
The thing is, we all are humans and we try to understand each other's feelings. Only humans are capable of actually understanding each other's feelings. Most of the men try to keep their feelings towards themselves, meanwhile they just have to let it flow. They can talk to their parents, anyone that they trust, but the thing is, in perspective of the men, most of the men would just try to keep it to themselves, and I think that's the major problem.
I think one of the most beautiful things you can do for them is be patient for them. I mean, I have a brother and I have seen how he's even capable of doing everything. All you have to do is just be patient. They may take it slow sometimes, but they do it beautifully and they can literally achieve anything. Just be
understanding what the other person is saying or talking, and if the help they need is what something you're not providing, it's better to understand them first and then try to help. Because there's no point in helping someone if you don't understand them. Right? So it's really important to listen to them, try to understand them, and then help them. That's the main thing that I think.
I will help people whenever they need help.
Nice. Thank you, Sahil, because Sahil is ready to help people who require help, and that is so important.
सबलों को हेल्प करना है, कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, कुछ कर सकता है.
Let's do it everybody. Anak menjelaskan kegiatan ini bye. Dewa terbalik, dewa mola peace.
So I think what Devraj is also trying to say is that instead of laughing at other people and making fun of them, he gives some support to people and acknowledge them for the plus points that they have, for the beautiful things that they get into our lives. एक क्वेश्चन है, और जिनको भी बोलना है उन लोग हाथ रेस कर सकते हैं और बोल सकते हैं इसके लिए, तो ये सबको आंसर करने की जरूरत नहीं, ये वाली क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? ओके, डू यू थिंक वी कैन बी फ्रेंड्स विद ईच अदर, go out for parties, listen to music, go watch movies, or even simply hang out, go out for a vada pav or a chai or a coffee or a drink? Do you think it can happen with such a diverse group? Okay, because we can see that there is a diversity in this panel. Would you all want to step out of your shoes and invite the other person out for, just having fun?
I think, for me it is, it's definitely a yes, I would say. I have loads of groups of people, and whenever it comes to their birthdays or, any other special occasion, I think it would be my pleasure to take them out anywhere, wherever, whatever suits them. But it does come as a challenge of availability if they are busy or sometimes they are engaged. But I think it's not about just going out, it's also about connecting on any form of media, whether it is online, offline. So I think I do have a lot of friends, some of them have been here today as well, although they are neurodiverse. And I think neurotypical also, I think our my music team of at least 40, I think they are also there to rescue us whenever we face a lot of trouble. They are very good characters and they show a lot of it. Most of them do show a lot of it.
Definitely they can be friends, of course. After all, we all are equal. There is nothing different. Not exactly different. And then, as a lot of people already mentioned, all that we need is patience and understanding and empathy. Once we have all of these, it's very easy to become friends and communicate and hang out with each other. And to be honest, it will be very much fun. Absolutely, I would like to hang out with someone. It's like in the fast-paced life, it's fine to take a break once a day. Hang out with people you don't know and people you know. It's like understand them, see their perspective. Everyone has a different perspective on life, and it's quite interesting to understand each and every one of them. So I would love to hang out and know their perspective, have some fun, eat out, start and all that stuff. Yeah, it's just having fun is important, that's what matters. And understanding someone, it's like connecting with them is something important. important to understand people, hang out with them, you know, let yourself be.
मैं ताहिर से पूछने वाली हूँ कि ताहिर, आपको क्या लगता है कि आप दूसरों बच्चों के साथ या दूसरे एडल्ट के साथ आप मूवीज देखना चाहते हैं, कॉफी पीना चाहते हैं, ऐसा कुछ करना चाहते हैं क्या?
Yes, I like to watch movies. Yes, I like to go out with friends also.
और वो मूवी देख रहा हूँ। हाँ, फ्रेंड्स चाहिए बाहर जाने के लिए।
So I think from this diverse panel we understand that हाँ, हमको बाहर जाना ज़रूरी है, दूसरे से मिलना ज़रूरी है। ये जो बैरियर हमने क्रिएट किया है उसको भी थोड़ा हमको ब्रेक करके दूसरी तरफ जाना भी चाहिए, और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि फ्यूचर के लिए हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए कैसे होने वाली है आगे। सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी दैट द सोसाइटी इज गोइंग टू बी इंक्लूसिव इन नेचर। इसकी वजह से हमको वो बैरियर से हटना पड़ेगा। लेकिन मैं पैनल से यहाँ पे जो बैठे हैं इनको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं और हमको मालूम है कि हमारे पैनल में ही डिफरेंसेस है, ठीक है, और हमने वो नोटिस भी किया है। कोई यहाँ पे बैठे हैं जो अपना भाई या बहन को भी डिसेबिलिटी कुछ ना कुछ तो है ही, ठीक है। तो व्हाट इज इट दैट यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग और व्हेन वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस लाइक do we need to make a separate neurodiversity hangout or do we have to make a separate neurotypical hangout, or can it be together?
Yeah, I think it could be together. It can be in any form. It can be in the form of birthdays. It can be in the form of music events. So the music club that I work with merges both neurotypical and neurodiverse people, and I think it's about collaborating with each other. And I think we do collaborate well, so the determination and applications
Anyone else from this panel?
Important that it should be together, because if you want, I think it's important that it should be together, because if we want to help each other, it's important that we spend time with each other, communicate, understand, know the other person's interest, and I think that will be perfectly executed when we do what both of us like. So I think parties, going out is how we understand each other. I think we should always welcome everyone, because at the end of the day, we're all humans and we all have our own feelings, and if we just make different groups and hang out, that's just going to hurt somebody. Or I think it's better if we all hang out together, because in the end, we all are the same. I think we should definitely hang out together, but we should really understand the other person well, so that they are comfortable, and we should know that they are not facing any challenges with us. They are really comfortable and having fun. They are not having any problem.
Absolutely, everyone can be together, but all it requires is a little bit of patience and that we understand each other. It just requires this step for a person to believe that another person can also hang out with them, enjoy the same thing that they like. It just needs a little bit of effort, and people should also stop worrying about their reputation. If they hang out with different kind of people, it would impact them. It's not like that. It in fact makes you more special and makes other people also more happy to hang out with you. Anyone else wants to answer? Okay, some of the panelists ने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया है, और उसके ऊपर हम एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं कि हमको मालूम है कि हमारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं, कोई सेंसरी होता है या कुछ और होता है, या हमको वो एनवायरनमेंट बिल्कुल ही अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंजेस तो आता ही है हमारा। तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि क्या challenges के बारे में बता सकते हैं. Akshay, you want to answer this?
Yes, I think it depends on the type of person as well. Because if you see in my undergrad, some people set very tight boundaries. Because and the thing is, people always prioritize boundaries over empathy towards special needs individuals. So I think while it is understandable about setting boundaries, like on deciding who's comfortable and who's not, it cannot come at the expense of empathy at any cost. So I think this is like a lesson for various institutes and their students rather than and all my students as a fair warning.
I think we should, those who are comfortable should talk about the challenges. It helps breaking the stereotype, and also we come to know what the problem the other person is facing, and we can be empathetic and helpful accordingly.
I think they should definitely talk to someone about their experiences because it helps them to find solutions for them or ways to help other people. And we should make them feel more comfortable with for them to tell us things like that. So and we could help them in any way we can because we should.
Yeah, it is important. We need to share our problems, like something we struggle with. I know it's like not easy for everyone, but it is difficult part. Yeah, it's true. But if you're comfortable around someone, if you're comfortable to express, I think people should express themselves. Because it's easier for others to understand us. Plus, we can try to help you out. Anyone can help you out if you just convey or speak up for yourself.
This is a question now for the siblings who have either a brother or sister at home जो disability identify किया है. आपको क्या लगता है कि mental health of siblings, mental health of parents and even your mental health is important?
I think we should be like mentally we should be like comfortable for that because if we really want to help the other person, we have to be right ourselves first and we should prioritize our mental health. That being said, I really enjoy with my brother the activities I do with him. And I like how we get to see his perspective and I feel very satisfied when he enjoys something with me. I get to know him better. I think the entire family, parents and siblings, the mental health is there mentally if we are mentally available for the other person, especially for our siblings, then I think that is step one complete.
Very important in these lifetimes.
So yes, all of us have got in a very strong point, and I am very grateful to everyone sitting down over here or हमारे panel में भी that we understood challenges and it was a display. Actually, it was a real life thing which happened, and everyone understood the challenge of the person who whatever challenges she faced.
O DTI, o DTI, o DTI, o DTI na kita. Namanya, please ko na ko tu, pero tu sa dapat tu ada tu kayo ko na ko.
ओके सो ही हैज थोड़ा समरी में बताया है कि देवराज को खुश रहना है, लेकिन खुश रहने के लिए देवराज को शांति भी चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से. तो हाँ, तो जो देवराज बोले मुझे लग रहा है कि वो ऐसा बोल रहा है. So this is for people who are looking out for jobs and are in the job market, and I know this is a very pet topic अक्षय का लिए है क्योंकि वो उसकी ये लाइफ सिचुएशन है. तो मैं अक्षय से ये सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ कि अक्षय, what do you think are the challenges you face when it comes to work or full-time employment that gives you parity in salary?
About risk management. Because whatever I search on the internet, it's more about getting to do with risk management and budgets and many more things. While it is understandable to keep some things confidential for competitive advantages and many other reasons or legal mandates, it is crucial to also understand that why they are making us a liability or a risk. Because I think it's not about luck, I would say. It's not about the market. It's about positioning ourselves, what value we can deliver. I think as PWDs, it's good that we deliver great value, but I think what is hidden is, I think it's not just about the disability, it is about I think it's crucial to understand that about character, composure, what talents that they can have for a company. Like for example, it's not just about experience, it's about what skills they can do. They can solve problems and save a lot of time for the business so that they don't lose much value in the company. Later on feels that we cannot afford to lose you.
Thank you Akshay for that insight. मैं पैनल से ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग बड़े होने वाले हैं, आपकी ग्रेजुएशन आएगी, आप और सारे डिग्रीज लेके निकल जाएंगे जॉब मार्केट में. कभी ना कभी आप मैनेजर होंगे, HR में होंगे, या आपके पास आपकी खुद की कंपनी भी हो सकती है ना. तो जब हम वो सिचुएशन में है तो क्या हम न्यूरोडाइवर्स बच्चों को भी जॉब दिलाना चाहेंगे तभी?
Important to remove that taboo from society, because all these neurodivergent children, they're very smart. They might have some of the other disability, but they're very smart when it comes to something that they like. So if they want to work, so for example, they told us that he opens those small toy cars and he loves to play with them. So if he goes and works into a field like that, so I think definitely he should be given a job.
I think if somebody would come to me looking for a job, I would, some neurodiverse person would come to me looking for a job, I would definitely offer them something. But I would first like to make sure that they are comfortable with doing that, and that I'm not forcing them to do something out of their comfort zone. That they're enjoying what they're doing. And that also I'm treating them equally like my other workers. paying them an equal salary and wage.
Sitting here, I realized that these people I am surrounding myself with today are way more talented than the other people I have normally seen, and they all have their own characteristics that make them special, and they all have this one field that they are really good with. And I think pushing them, not out of the comfort zone, but pushing them in that direction will definitely help them, and we should definitely give them a job.
Anytime, all day, every day, I can have more slots for disabilities. I can allocate more for them and realize their potential in growth.
So the thing about neurodivergent people that the influence is spreading. I've seen multiple cases where neurodivergent people work together. They started their own company and they are successful. Many of them are successful. Even the people who could not do businesses, they are trying to get their help. They all are together acting as one and making the world a better place.
की मनाते आजादी की खुली हवा में निकले सीना तान के अम्बाला का हिंदुस्तान के अम्बाला का हिंदुस्तान के हम जिस मिट्टी के अंकुर उसकी शानियाली है उसके खेतों में सोना है बागों में अय्याली है तन दौलत से ज्यादा मुझे इसे देख के इंसान के अम्बा
Policy.
So there is a lot कि हमने जाना है, देवदास ने गाया भी था इंडिपेंडेंस का एक गाना, इन्होंने टेक इट इजी पॉलिसी बोला है. तो ये जो हिडन इंफॉर्मेशन इन्होंने बताया है, मेरे ख्याल से हम बहुत कुछ इन्फ्लुएंसेस ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. मैं अभी पैनल को खुला रखना चाहती हूँ. मुझे मालूम है कि एक या दो जन यहाँ से कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं यहाँ पे, तो आप क्वेश्चंस आपके हिसाब से पूछ सकते हैं.
This question is for everyone. So, what are the activities through your life and what helps you stay focused?
There are many activities. It's not only about working in corporate and with my designated skills, designated roles. It is about, I think, working on your other strengths as well, like co-curricular strengths. So for me, I think music is another way to focus, and exercise also, and driving. So I think increasing order of safety, I think where you have to be less focused and more focused. So music, it's not required actually, but it can help you in the long term. But when it comes to exercise, I think little more. Because this is to avoid any injury or this, and driving even more. Because you need to be safe on the road. You cannot have an accident all the time. So I think it depends from person to person. But the level of focus to maintain should be sustainable enough. sure it doesn't affect us, doesn't affect others as well.
Tay, nasa natutunan mo na? Yes. Zero. At hindi mo kasi, bibili ka. Play. I want to play. Video game.
वीडियो गेम में उसकी फोकस ज़्यादा बढ़ती है और राइटिंग में भी उसकी फोकस ज़्यादा है।
Tay.
I like activities, I like sports, I like to play basketball and badminton.
Tahir, these are sport activities which increases your focus.
Yes, it increases my focus.
Fine.
Match. Ai, ani, Anuida, ani, Tarnaji Luti Kaka, ani Puranji Luti Kaka कहतात.
Do you have any more questions?
So I wanted to ask, who is your most favorite person?
My favorite person is Amitabh Bachchan.
I think
Person, संगीतकारी, ani नंदा मौसी है.
there is no favorite person for me as such. It's always best to not have a favorite person, but I think it's always best to take inspiration on the right people. The right people will hold your dream. Your dream is your journey. But I think when it comes to glory, from all the persons, the celebrities I've met, both offline and online, I think taking inspiration from someone like Pat Cummins is a very good example. I think he did mention I was part of a webinar way back then in 2022, and he was mentioning about all types of glory and then for his team and how he attended his team and all about form of and understands the form of opposition, the struggles, their struggles, and I think it's not and it's him who will be leading. You have seen what all trophies he has won as a captain in 2022. Although it is not happened now, but I think in those years, yeah.
So I think Akshay has made a very relevant point कि हम इंस्पिरेशन तो बहुत लोगों से ले सकते हैं, लेकिन डिपेंडेंसी अगर हम कम से कम लोगों तक रखें तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं आप लोग? क्योंकि हमने बहुत सिंपल से क्वेश्चंस पूछे. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको और भी कुछ पूछना है तो फिर पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो हम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द पैनल. सॉरी, सुमेधा वांट्स टू आस्क.
This is a question to adults over here. Like we are teenagers, we are still young, most of us. So, what is something we can do to achieve our goals and be successful in life? Because everyone can be successful in life, everyone is doing well. So I would like to know your point of view on that.
So I think it's about being very persistent. I think my degree took a lot of time than expected. I lost 1 year to COVID. I think it's about staying in the present and not looking what happened back and what damage this. But of course, if they have been unfair, I think reporting, you need a good reporting mechanism, you need a good support system. But I think given the current scenario also of the job market later. I think with AI and everything, I think it's happening with everybody. So yeah, just be persistent. Network with the right people, connect with the right people. Day one.
I hope that answers you, Samara, and I think Akshay has spoken from his years of experience also, which is very, very relevant. And those are things which you all as younger generation will have to look at. The words are perfect, persistency and networking is also going to be a part of your growth life. Okay, thank you everyone for being part of this panel, and I hope we